Yes, welcome. My name is James Submotive, and this is my second season actually on Sample Genie. So first season was season 11, where I did some AI-based design and also going through some funk breaks. And thought there's some more knowledge I could share, so going to do a couple more. Decided to go on a mix one this time. Let's get a track and reset the mix on it and redo it as if I was to do it today. Maybe change the arrangement a little bit and possibly give it away as a VIP or something if it's going to work. And hopefully you'll pick up a few tricks along the way. So this is a track I was actually one half of Ulterior Motive with Greg, and who is now settled down. He's doing his thing, and I did this track called 127 on Guidance. And I like the track, and it works, but it's a little bit brittle on the FM bass, and I think I could do a better job and make it a bit more rolling. So let's have a go at that. Let's try and prove myself right and not look silly. So